Historical POV videos are absolutely exploding across social media right now. Just look at this Instagram page, 29,000 followers with only 10 videos uploaded. One of those videos has already surpassed 4.9 million views and is still growing. Here's exactly how you can create videos like this completely free. First, open your browser and search for Explore GPTs. Click on the first website. This is the GPT's interface. In the search bar, type Historical POV Shorts. You will see many different options. Click on the first result. Open the GPT and click Start Chat. It will immediately ask which historical era you would like to experience. Choose one from the list or enter your own custom era. I'm going with option number 3. Press Enter. Next, it will ask you to select a country. I'm choosing option number 2, Greece. Press Enter again. Now it will ask you to choose the role you would like to experience within that era. I'm selecting option number 1, Peasant. Press Enter. Within seconds, it generates 6 complete scenes, including fully written image prompts and video prompts for every scene. Everything is structured and ready to use. Copy the image prompt for scene 1 and head over to Google Flow. Select the image option from the top and make sure all of your settings are turned on. Paste the prompt and click Generate. Within seconds, a stunning and realistic image for your first scene will appear. Choose the image that feels the most immersive and cinematic. Click the 3 dots and select Add to Prompt. This allows Google Flow to use your selected image as a reference for the next scene, helping maintain visual consistency throughout the video. Now copy the image prompt for Scene 2 from ChatGPT and paste it into Google Flow. Repeat this exact process until all 6 scene images have been generated. Once all the images are ready, it's time to bring them to life. Drag your first image into the workspace and switch to video mode. Set OmniFlash as your video model and choose your preferred duration and number of outputs. Copy the video prompt for Scene 1 from ChatGPT and paste it directly into the prompt box. Click Generate. In just a few seconds, your first animated video scene will be ready. Now select the second image, go back to ChatGPT, copy the second video prompt, and paste it into the prompt box. Wait a few moments, and your second video scene will be ready. Repeat the same process for all remaining images until all 6 scenes have been converted into fully animated video clips. Once everything is complete, all of your video clips will be ready. Open Clipchamp video editing software and import all of your video clips. Arrange them in the correct sequence from beginning to end. Once everything looks clean, polished, and engaging, export the final video. Your viral historical POV video is now complete and ready to post.
May the gods bless this water.
Get your fresh fish and greens!
Subscribe to the channel right now so you never miss the newest viral AI niches the moment they appear.